Data wrangling is that messy middle part of data work, where you clean, transform, and stitch things together. And here's the wild part. Multiple studies say it can take up to 80% of the effort. But we usually blame the dataset. What if we should also blame the interface? In a new observational study with 40 participants, researchers watched people wrangle data using 4 tools with totally different ways of thinking: Jupyter notebooks, Excel spreadsheets, ChatGPT, and OpenRefine. So what did they measure? Not just performance, but how the tools shaped the strategy itself. They used a framework called Technical Dimensions of Programming Systems, or TDoPS. Think of it like an X-ray for programming systems. It looks at how different interfaces push your brain toward different kinds of actions. Here's the key takeaway. Tool affordances steer user strategies, but they don't determine the final outcomes. No single tool wins every time. Instead, each tool comes with trade-offs. Excel is like a whiteboard where you can see every smudge. Errors show up visibly, so you clean opportunistically, fixing what you notice right now. Jupyter feels more like building a machine. The interface nudges you towards systematic, planned transformations, but the cognitive load can be higher. ChatGPT is like a conversation partner. It can help you move fast, but it also risks abstracting away the exact shape of your data, so the plan can drift. OpenRefine is a visual wrangler. It's task-fit, but it often forces you to coordinate steps across the workflow. And the consistent tension is this: data-centered versus abstraction-centered interfaces. Data-centered tools invite quick cleanups. Abstraction-focused tools reward structured thinking. Both can work, but both can also fail in predictable ways. So the question becomes not which tool is best. The real question is, which thinking style does this tool train inside me? If you enjoyed this breakdown, hit like, subscribe, and comment which tool you use for wrangling, and whether it makes you think in edits or in systems.